today's video, we are talking about features on Teachers Pay Teachers that you may not know about. There are a lot of new teacher sellers here on this channel, and like I said, these might be things that you are aware of, that you may not be aware of. There's a couple of them I've learned in the last couple weeks, and I thought I need to share these. So I'm going to give you 5 tips, and the bonus tip which I gave last week, which I will share again right now, is that you don't have to have your product fully uploaded onto TPT, you know, the first time around. You can actually save it and like a draft and go back and finish it. I did not know that. I wish I'd have known that. We're learning. Anyways, 5 more tips are coming your way. Stay tuned. Hello everyone and welcome. If you are new or returning, my name is Lori-Ann, and this channel is all about teacher side hustles, in particular Teachers Pay Teachers and Boom. And I am excited about today's video because these were things I wish I'd have known about a year ago when I was making products, especially the one I just shared. I remember very specifically having everything uploaded except for one thing, and I don't know if it was a phone call or somebody, you know, I might have had an appearance from my parents, and I thought, what am I going to do? So I took it all back off. I was like, oh, didn't realize I could have saved it as a draft. Right? Live and learn. So let's go through these. Some of these I will turn the camera around and give you a quick tutorial. Something just moved over there. I'm filming this on a Sunday afternoon, probably going to be the Tuesday video because I'm going out tonight. Yay. I've had a productive weekend despite a sick cat. Not good news. And we'll see. The test results are coming back on Wednesday. Something to do with the liver. That's never good. The one good thing is normally when cats are really sick, they don't eat. My cat eats all the time. If she is not sleeping, she's eating. So the vet seemed to think that was a good thing. But we'll find out on Wednesday. I really hope it's not cancer or anything like that. Anyways, let's move on to some happier things. Feature number 1, TPT gift cards. Did you know that if you are signed up on the email notifications for TPT sellers on Teachers Pay Teachers, you will not only get notified when the sale is coming, usually a couple days before everyone else knows, but you can also apply to get a $10 TPT gift card for the purpose of giving it away. So in I don't know if you're on Instagram during the sale time, you'll see tons of TPT sellers with these $10 gift cards, $10 gift card giveaways. And I'm always thinking, wow, is this what we have to do? They got them for free. I didn't know this, right? I should have asked, actually. But yes, if you sign up for the email, and let me just turn the camera around right now and show you. Click my account, and then down on the side along the basics here, you are going to go down to email preferences. Click, and then you want to make sure that you've got the right email notifications checked. The one when it comes to sales is this one, seller, newsletter, and updates. Make sure that's clicked. It wasn't for me. It is now clicked. Hit save. Done. Come on, really. $10 giveaway. Boosts your sales, can boost your Instagram account or Facebook account. It's a win-win. People buy, everyone's happy. Feature number 2, bundles. I did not realize that there are basically 3 types of bundles you can sell on TPT. One is you create your own bundle. Now I didn't realize that was called a bundle because I've done that. But basically that's when you put 2 or 3 products into one file folder, zip it, and then upload it as one, right? That's considered a bundle. Then there's the TPT bundle where you click on the make a bundle or create a bundle, and TPT will ask you which of the products you want to bundle. You click them, they bundle them, you price it, right? they do most of the work for that one. And then there's what the Boom bundle, when you make a bundle over on Boom Learning and you bring it over and it's a Boom bundle, and there's different aspects to that. But I did not know that this was the case. I didn't realize there were two types of bundles for TPT outside. I'm not talking about the Boom one, but two different bundles. So there you go. That was new. And like I said, the TPT bundle, TPT takes care of the making sure all the products are posted and everything else. Whereas if you bundle everything yourself, you've got to do all the work. And I've done both. Inadvertently, I didn't realize it was called a bundle, but I've done that, and I'm going to be doing it again. But yes, and by the way, they've allowed, and this has been now 5-6 months at least, you can now add an extra little thing into a TPT bundle as an incentive for someone to buy the bundle. So it can be a freebie that you already have. And that's actually a really good thing, because if you notice on your products, for example, if I have this product that's in a bundle, when I'm on the individual product, it actually, TPT will advertise, this is also part of a bundle. You can have that with a freebie. So you can add a freebie into one of your bundles, and then TPT will advertise the bundle on the freebie product. Something to think about. Excellent idea. I haven't done that one yet, but I've seen it a few times. So that's an excellent feature. Feature number 3. This has to do with bundles. Did you know that you can put up to 400 products in one bundle? That's insane. That is completely insane. There is a size problem, especially for the buyer. You have to watch that. I've seen it on Facebook groups where people say we're having trouble uploading, the buyer's having problems downloading that big bundle. So you may not want to do 400, but I have seen stores literally bundle their entire store, and it's a growing bundle. I'm like, that's insane. But then they sell it for, $100, couple $100, and they get sales. I've looked at them. I've actually I'm a little bit of, I don't know, troll, stalker, I don't know what you call it. Once in a while I do these things. I just kind of look at someone's store, I analyze it, do sort of things, see if there's something I could pick up from the way they run their store. And I see these things. And I had no idea you could do that. So one of my goals, probably not for 2021, maybe in early 2022, I'm hoping to make about 20 more math products. I'm then going to bundle my entire math products of my store. And there will be 50, 60 products. I don't know yet. No clue. I might have to pull the Boom cards out. I've got to find that out. But anyways, so you can bundle 400 together, and this is part of the same feature. You could put one product in 15 different bundles. Bah! When I heard that, I was like, 15? I don't know why you would put it in 15 different bundles, but you never know. It depends on your niche, depends on the products you're creating. So there you go. Bundle away, folks. Feature number 4, product listings. TPT recently, sometime in the summer, I think it was the end of July or something like that, posted that they've updated the product listings page. Now, there is in the product listings, I'll turn the camera around in just a moment, but you can quickly change prices. You can put sales on much quicker. You can change titles. There is something else you can do, and right off the top of my head, I can't remember, but when we turn the camera around, I will show you that, because I didn't know this until I started doing those hashtag sales that I was doing a couple weeks back, and wow, fast. So if you want to do a sale, you don't have to go into your edits. You can go into your product listings, click quick edit, and do them all on one page. So much faster. That's an excellent feature. And if you want to update your titles a bit, experiment, get some keywords in there, you can do it again, all on one page. Good job, TPT. I'm going to go to product listings. And here they are. So your free one is usually at the top. your custom categories. You can manage them here. But here is where I'm talking about your quick edit. So if I go to quick edit here, I can deactivate it. I can change the base price, but instead you should change your discount price so that people can see that they're getting a sale. Change categories, but I can also change the title right here. It's great. Yeah, and you don't have to go in and out of different products. You can just do it all in one little spot. And feature number 5, conversion rates. Remember that when you are looking at your conversion rates, remove the freebies because they are affecting your conversion rates in a horrible way because they're not paid products, and so they're automatically a 0 conversion rate, and it drops the average down. One of the things that you should be doing every month is tracking your top 5 to 10 products, depending on how many you have, your top products, your conversion rates on those products, because the thing is, if those conversion rates are too high, you might want to consider raising the price just a little. For example, one of my top selling products last year, I can't remember what the number was, but it got as high as 20-something%. That's way too high. So I've upped it, and it's still getting, I think, 13 or 14%. So it's still high, but I'm going to leave it at this price. But I do have a couple other ones I'm considering because I've got some again. Once they go over 10%, you should be looking at that. Maybe you haven't priced it correctly. I didn't realize you had to do this, and I kept thinking, why do I have 0 to 1% conversion rates? That's horrible. And I kept thinking it's all my fault. What am I doing wrong? What am I doing? And then I realized, wait a second. Unclick the freebies, and the conversion rates jumped up, and I went, and I was told, 5% is good. I checked them yesterday, they're at 8. I'm happy. Conversion rates are really important because your data speaks to you, and I did a video not too long ago on that. Check that out if you have not seen it already. Okay, that's it. Upcoming videos. This weekend's video is going to be on, can TikTok and or Clubhouse improve your business, your TPT business? Interesting. And then the following week's video is on how to get more views onto your, how to get more views, more eyes onto your TPT products. There's ways. Yeah? Okay. One of the things, if you are subscribed to my Side Hustle Help email, one of the things I talked about briefly in there is end of September, early October, a lot of big TPT sellers are offering boot camps, workshops, bingo game party things, and so go on to their Facebook accounts, their Instagram accounts, and check them out. If you are looking for different ways to kickstart or just level up your TPT business, they will have ideas. Casey Morris is doing for brand new to TPT sellers, she's doing one. Shelly Reese is doing a bingo on hers. That's TPT Sellers Success, I think it's her Facebook group. Misty Miller is doing an email. It's almost over. It started, I think, Wednesday or something like that. Kristen Doyle, who I talked about last week, is doing an SEO boot camp. There is a cost to that one, but it doesn't sound like it's going to be much. I would think it's going to be $10, $15. I don't know, and I'm completely guessing, so I apologize if I am way out, but she said it was going to be low. I don't know define low, right? Chloe Taskoff, who I took a video production course with, is doing a free 3-day, 5-day on video previews. If you think you're weak on video previews, check her out. She's got a Facebook group. I'm pretty sure she's on Instagram. So there are people out there who are offering free workshops, mini courses, things like that to help ramp up your business. Take advantage of them while they're free. A lot of these sellers usually offer courses that are in the hundreds, if not thousands. And I've paid for one that was $1,000. So most of the, yeah, anyways, just something to consider. Usually October is a good month. It's because school is now kind of underway, and it's not report cards yet for most school districts. So it's a good time to check out some stuff for your TPT business. I'm not in a place yet where I want to you know, next year I might do one of those myself. I'm thinking about it. We'll see. We'll see. In the meantime, wherever you are in the world, I hope you and your family are staying safe, being healthy. Don't lose hope. Stay in the faith. And we'll catch you. In the next videos. See ya. Ow.